keys in your pocket, the ring on your finger, the fork you ate with today. Surprise, they're all alloys. An alloy is a metal mixture. I melt different metals and their atoms mingle. They don't form a brand new compound. They share space, and that changes the overall behavior. Why mix at all? Bronze is a classic. Copper, tin. It's harder than either copper or tin alone. Perfect for tools and statues that need to last. Steel's the plot twist. Iron, carbon. Pure iron is kinda soft. Add a pinch of carbon and suddenly you've got steel. Way harder and way more useful. Here's the sciencey reason alloys act different. In a pure metal, atoms are the same size and line up in neat rows, like marbles in a tray. Hit it with a hammer, and those layers slide easily. That property is malleability. Pull it into a wire? That easy sliding is called ductility. You meet alloys all day, coins. Pure metals would dent and wear out. Silver-looking coins? Usually copper-nickel alloys. Copper coins often have copper, zinc, and tin. Hard-wearing, but still malleable enough to stamp those crisp designs. Jewelry. Pure gold is 24 karat, and way too soft for a wedding ring. So I use gold mixed with metals like copper, silver, or zinc. 18 karat means 18 parts gold, 6 parts other metals. Stronger, longer lasting, still shiny. Airplanes. Planes need strength without weight. Pure aluminum is light but not strong enough. Mix in magnesium and copper to make duralumin, about 5 times stronger than pure aluminum. Now those wings can handle serious stress. Artificial joints. Replacement hips and knees use plastic and titanium alloys. They're tough, biocompatible, and last under constant wear. Modern magic tricks? Shape memory alloys. Nitinol, nickel titanium, can be bent and then snap back to its original shape when heated. That's in glasses frames and tiny medical devices. 2 copper classics. Brass is copper plus zinc. Change the amounts, change the properties. That's why brass has a melting range, not a single point. Bronze is copper plus tin, sometimes with extras like manganese or aluminum. Different mixes give different bronzes, each with its own melting point and toughness. So yeah, mixing metals is like remixing music. Same notes, new beats, stronger forks, safer planes, smarter gadgets. Alloys make everyday metal super metal.
What is an alloy? What metals make bronze? Which element is unusual in steel? Why is steel harder than iron? What prevents steel from rusting? Why are alloys used for coins? What metals are in silver coins? What metals are in copper coins? What is the main metal in steel? Why are pure metals not used for coins? What is the property of bronze? What is added to steel for cutlery? What is the main component of bronze? What is the role of carbon in steel? What is a property of pure metals? What is the main property of alloys? What is the role of nickel in steel? What is the main metal in coins? What is the property of steel? What is the role of tin in bronze?